Can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. Private plane, I'll lamp on it. They call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on it. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on it.
So based on my past relationship, it's a lot of successful breakup. My sister has made that I don't make my head. Oh yeah, sorry. Hi my love. Hi my love. Hi my love. So my name is Puritymike. My name is Ajom Goodness, and right beside me is Ajom Praise. Are you serious? Is that your name? Puritymike. Yes, thank you. Yes. Let's talk about worry. See, let me tell you something. In this like warrior, just think. But not especially think about me.
This is a front camera. Yeah. Don't be looking at yourself. Look here. If you are looking at yourself, they will know that you are looking at yourself and you are not looking at them. If you are looking here, then you are looking at them, the people watching, not yourself. So you're supposed to be looking at this place. Hey. So let's start.
Good evening.
Hi my loves.
Hi my love. Yeah, I'm joining us today.
Puritymike.
Now Puritymike they join us.
That's what they join me.
Talking about your 20s. When you're in your 20s, there are a lot of pressures that come from being in your 20s. Like there's always this peer pressure, friends. I need to achieve this before this certain age, and it gets to the point where you're not getting these things right, and it's not like you're not getting it right, like you have your life planned out and all figured out, then it gets to a point these things are not forthcoming. I think one best thing, my first recommendation for every person in this life is prayer. Yeah. And after God, prayer basically, then you should have find yourself. You got it loud. You don't see wisdom.
As a girl, I think for what I can say from my perspective and from my view is that you get peer pressure, especially, and as a girl you have options. That's truth. You have options, a lot of options, both from Especially from married men, you get my point. Like when it's from married men, but I go talk that married men part. So you get, you have options from married men, and it's actually a very, very big problem because sometimes you really, really want to reach out to them. Yes, because you know that if I call this particular guy, it can actually solve my problem. But at the long run, you begin to think like, if I call this guy like this now,
and he asks for what
I cannot give. How can I balance this life? Like, you get me right? You get me? Bye. Bye. Bye.
day.